Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable feedback tone for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application. And your speaker should be connected with the app, then it will open for you the speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, you need to tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. And right here we have feedback tone. So to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And now we have tone for example, for pairing. So when you press the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, you will hear the prompt. And if you don't need this, just disable feedback tone by again tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!